Good morning. Good. Whatever time you are at. I haven't shaved or fixed my face for, I don't know, for 4 weeks, 3 weeks. I was waiting to video this. And now it's time to do it. I look like gorilla. I'm gonna show you how do I clean here. Yeah, see, I'm gonna clean all this. And I'm gonna clean all that by using thread and all a tweezer. I look so scary. And let's go. My sister gave me this, which is really good. Just to hold your head back. Thread. You can get it your elbow length. Maybe. Like let's the length of, I don't know, like this length. Let's say 1 fist. Yeah, 1 fist. And then we will twist it 3 times, and then we go. So there's always this theory that they say you cannot shave here because hair will come back really strong. That's bullshit. Hair is hair, but this will just come out later. With the razor you are just shaving the head and then the roots inside, but with this one I prefer to do it because it will stay longer and it's a lot of pain, but no pain, no beauty. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Oh. I always used to ask my sisters to do it, but since I live alone now, I had to learn, and I learned it from my friend. He was a hairdresser. And then it's a lot of practice. It will hurt your hands a little bit. It still hurts my fingers, but you got used to it. See, it's all clean already. Ouch. I'm just doing it here now. I'm not going to do the eyebrows because I'm going to make another video for that. You know, I'm new to this. And I love for beard to look natural how it comes in. So now I'm going to take all this rubbish and then I'll do around here with the tweezer because it will make you look natural. I hate when guys has it's horrible. Zonash, you know. Wow, I can't, wow, I look already so hot now. Ouch. I'm listening to Kazım Sahir while doing it because what is beauty without listening to good music? I have hair everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, the hard part. What do you think? I think it looks... Oh, it's too long for this now. I'm gonna start with the tweezer. What are you looking at? White hair, which I don't take it out because there's this theory it will come more white. So I just go to the white and then I'll say bye. Bye. Like everyone has their own theory, you know, how this side should be, how, but most of all you have to keep it natural. When it looks not natural, I hate it. Oh no, blood. Okay, so I did this side, which I love. It looks really natural, and the party down here. Mate, you don't have to be perfect. I think the more natural it looks, better it is. So, I finished this side. Now, even my smile looks much nicer in this side. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this side, and you will come back. It looks gorgeous. And then when I finish, I wash it with cold water so it can tighten the blood vessels as they open. Now I put some moisturizer. Oh wait. And maybe here. There is small bit. Good. So this is my how to do your cheek and clean it with threads, and I'll see you in my next video. I just want to say I am a little bit shy now because I'm just starting this, but slowly you will see the other side of me. What? Show them the bad side. Kaka, this was our downtown kid thread and badaw. You are there. It's not tank. I guess not tank. لبون بنوس الأخواري هدا. بس ما يكون يبكى. ولا ريت اشتري أنا بوهم بس تماشى كده. You know. أنا خلقه هاي. Bye.